Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you fall, you will rise again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, that's to say a tons of fro. I will Jenny so buy. Now the Jenny the Oba, you will actually a strong cry, you didn't know. And see from us to you, he says, thank you so much, sir. The invite you. Oba.
Medasipa. I really love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Adjoa, a rapper, Kitua Wesiso, with such a huge name. You can say, it didn't assume mood. That big name, Adjoa Yeboah, and Jim.
Yo.
Brofudin Bakokrenim.
Brofudin.
Sir.
Brofudin. Me deeper, yeah. Mavis Adjoa Yeboah, AJ.
Okay.
Inti. Me didn't Brofudin room, and you just Adjoa Yeboah, AJ.
Okay.
But me decided, say, me clothing line. Na me pedia. What's here? Ubehu say, okay, you know the origin of the design. Like Ubehu baby, design any free.
It's all about Africa.
Africa. Inti me say, okay, dimbe na me fa ebeye unique. Inti me shisha ye na me hu bibia ebeye catchy ama me. Okay, Adjoa Yeboah nso ye me din. Inti adi inti na me fa Adjoa Yeboah clothing. Because obi were outside. Na so ti Adjoa Yeboah clothing. No him say, okay, Yeboah Adjoa de so ye Ghana ni. Inti me bibi just to portray the African culture. Inti me dino enuti na me juicy Adjoa Yeboah for my brand name. Inti enye bibia.
How long have you been in this fashion industry?
I've been around since 2013, 2014.
That's a 5 years, Pena. Boom.
Yes, because me started here, I was sewing for my friends. Okay. Now, mankusia at the palm just to sew for people.
Okay.
I wanted to sew for myself because I remember one time made the material koma obise on mami and nipani disappointing me. Day nana me kwa koje a core program no me call you now on pamye. Enti eshimi ye. Me bufu ye from that day. Enti Monday it was a Friday. Enti Monday. Na me call I say no sad way day I think say I have to take it upon myself na me ankasa me kosia just to do it for myself till the Monday na me call Joyce Babio na me bisa nkofo bebre say oh school bay na wakwa we say oh me we Joyce Babio me a fashion designer enti that was the name on my mind enti straight the following day me call ye
wow
na me enroll ye
o determination that's one.
Say it was a BB push you mauye BB. So I turned my frustration into positive energy.
Adjoa Yeboah clothing, Adjoa Yeboah clothing. Offering
Mavis Adjoa Yeboah. Eya bununi. Me fibrekum buna hafo region.
Okay.
Na ejaye tu batabet na Accra. Nima tu bataba. And cry her. Some baby bobra.
Okay.
And inti.
Okay.
Amewaha.
BT, take us through your journey. Mavis Adjoa Yeboah J. Wawari, Onwari ye, and then your koso.
Adjoa Yeboah obia. Me fan is okay. Say obia nimse me a fashion designer. I make clothes for people. Aside making clothes, no. Me obia. All the time, me pese enkofo around me omanije. And they look good. Inti, I always want to style people. Okay, madam for I'm say oh dress say you say
just like you styled me today.
Exactly. And I think my journey all started Na me mama ye ewo mother care shop.
Okay.
Inti growing up no.
Sorry.
Me co shop ye ton tare mother nkwala tare. Inti me hu bia me ni je ho nti ma me be pen tare. Inti anytime me hu atare a me pe de obi shebi. Me pese me ye me de nti I will add a touch to it. Nti de bia na ma fa bibi de aka me de no ho. Say you the same material cry, I have to look different from you. Inti eto aso no me hu say no. This is something different. I think say a passion be a me wo.
It's a calling.
Exactly.
Yes.
I will take it like that. Inti sana me hu no. Say okay, sa the way I was say me fan as business and I was say me pursue that calling. Me started by years ejuma we many experiences be pray. I stress say a ma pa de pam. And the more now be pam no, they will keep coming and they will
good.
They will recommend you to their friends and their family. The recommendation and I think it's a positive vibe.
It's a positive vibe indeed. You try your home akoje and Adjoa Yeboah. It's still the journey. Yako akoje and Adjoa Aba. Afei ena wo hwe dwumadi din the journey. And I guess a Mavis Adjoa Yeboah eje or your fashion designer and yen no etwetwe nkomo e wo journey so. May ukwakusi adwuma that time na wa worry. Anana on worry.
Na me worry.
Okay.
Now me young girl, Messi Sua. I was trying to
make life.
Yes, me person me who de me ye. At that time, I was confused. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, what couldn't school? Office. At the pump.
Me who de me ye. You remember those time? Me na me ye more health insurance. Enti na my ye confused. So when na me person me yana. Me who say me person me ye bibi more than the me ye no. Enti eba my dream so it got to a time me imagine say me yes ejuma we no that time no na de meti me ko baby asem komo mudi nyina about fashion school fashion bibia
na it's like a calling na nyame brina so I was a woko yes ade no
sir because nkomodie me hia nkofo a me te say always me a fashion designer we say me call fashion school we nti na me say okay so why am I hearing this enti na time na the moment na me ka say me lady no pamade ma me disappointed me I didn't wait because na me bi say nkrofo amama ti ase okay to make a fashion school e be fashion designer
if an amunya styles in free do you just create and now you just copy and cut
no at the palm idea we take inspirations from Niema Bebre.
Okay.
You can look at somebody, Nifigano, you get inspirations from the person.
Okay.
You can look at things you see around can inspire your design.
Okay.
When I love accessories, na me per fabrics. At times fabric I kita can inspire the design. I'll say, oh yeah. So when I look at the person, I don't just sew for the person. Me share the figure because who steady fashion ube who say oh figure na very obebia figure nye the same. Enti oshena niema was a fata no na was the man. Senesro swa. You have to design interior a be man nasi ayekesi so that a be balance. So you have to balance the person's figure. Na say or ye dark e so who colors or the be mano or ye fair so who colors be complementing his skin. So you don't just throw things around the person. Obi o ha wa shatare atare ne ye fe batem fatano.
Because enye ne
so na tare obi nso wo ho a ohun style bi na wa copy e wo internet na odi aba madam facho
my dear man na udi o ho de ye ultimate screenshot bi come obi but we not sign a different style man
what I ordered versus what was delivered enti no ohwe ni pa no na we designing to suit the person's body type because one thing amahuni say Africans we have beautiful body contours and we want to showcase it nti say customer ne ba o ho a it was so steady now who ni figure ni so that you sew to fit and all pama de enso it was say wo hwe ni pani age. Now, what dear Pamamano, you can't go and sew anything for Obia. We find it's a walk of Pamatare be.
And your friend now, dear,
And they say, Nefe, at a rainy year for the fat fanny dear,
but the
figure no, and any age, no, because Obia, when you were the bed is a 40 going, no, and yes, I'll be an any bedroom. Start beer. And yes, I'll be an any bedroom until I was so shiny age, no, any styles I be fatano. Do a young girls who say, okay, young people, mope body call, mope say, they want to show their curves. And you know, one share variation, no. Now, I say, oh, customer way by, no only way size ye pay. The color cry a pay, or the star way by me, pam man, a fatan into my pam being so mamma me way, what they command or they call him.
What do you call him? Not just say, and your fair.
Exactly.
Much may
Sikao, if you have the right, let's say customers,
clients,
mechanic say me customer be frame na wo hu atare bi na ye ne fe na wo ka say oh Adjoa me hu atare we e wo internet e ye me fe mpacho ye say na me bo price no ka say oh ne boy ye din o unti so say ni say na ma hu say I'm speaking to the wrong customer. Untimi nkojina sa shop we nkoka say okay sa phone we the price you say nti e we say oton wo de no so say nti e we say uhun baby a wo kono nti no say unya right customers unim say
how do your husband unya time mam o man unya time ma wo kuno ansanya ba adwuma the way you are doing well, how do you do it?
Okay, when it comes to balancing as a woman you should learn to balance your life. And no na meaning plan your day, because as a mother, a wife, CEO, and all, we will be down for be confident or be can as a material. You know, it was a plan your day. So okay, most pressing need a war list soon. It was a year no first and sawaba. Until we are white in a area now the kind. They say fatano, so that they went me and at the end of the day, the next day, and November first. One yes, sir, you can't function.
Celebrities be and I only age ma. And how saying a year how do you relate with them to keep all of them? Because the Nipadi will be hard, you can say, we are there now, keep home.
Fine. Ejumano say it's all about planning. Until the person will not just call you, so Adjoa may have a pataria baby. Okay. The person will name the itinerary for the year or the month and everything. So the person will discuss with you, okay, Adjoa me pacho me call baby this day, and design something for me. Or beka occasion, or beka time, any baby. Until when you are designing, you design according to the occasion. Until so if you call wedding, you know what to do.
Hey, and that you miss so more designing ma. According to
occasion,
time,
not time. Yes, time is a factor. Yes, time is a factor.
Let's just say, you try your home. Aquachin crato, yeba, install the journey. Welcome back to the journey. And my guest, Mavis Adjoa Yeboah, AJ. Or you see you and Adjoa Yeboah clothing, and you didn't know if a genuine na or tray at the entity. Now, also, CB. Mommy, challenges been as an entrepreneur, as a CEO, as a wife, as a mother. Challenges been offer was my so a very vital. Nina here. It's challenges been open.
Fine. About say Juma we one thing me who from workers. We started with workers because I don't say who here pa. Yena ye ko school we were taught say who we school you become a fashion designer. Until ye school we are in a hurry to leave. We don't want to serve, we don't want to work with people. Ibenya na ye experience. We just want to go out there. But it's never worked like that. You need experience because experience can never be bought with money. To me first canto, it was say you have to go through the mail. So that what to me I
advice being my youth out there.
was a wofo no ene omumma etimi nya nkita hodie
and they become best friends.
Exactly.
Thank you so much. It's been amazing having you. Now the journey was surprised me at the man. So thank you so much for coming.
Oh. Wow.
That's why I show.
Hey.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I love it. Thank you so much.
Okay. It's been amazing with Mavis Adjoa Yeboah AJ, or your entrepreneur, CEO, mother, a wife, and fashion designer. Now, you also be successful and even do more than what she is doing. As it appears here, the sponsors, some also yasin and what trip here, it's me edit the Jenny April, Yadamo Asipa, Afre Meda, Adjoa Yeboah clothing on one that's here. I say, on in a mamma taria, Meho Ayefefe, Asambako, and the Piami Kacho, Bissinya Miwoma, Ebeye. My name is Abena Ghana. This is the journey.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you fall, you rise again.